commercial model. It's going to be 6 times 12 for a 72-foot pole. This is still our carbon fiber 3K. Eventually, the whole pole is going to be Kevlar, which stops shocks. Now, what's kind of cool, this one, even by itself, is going to go up 36 feet. So if you just wanted to start off with a commercial model, you're going to be for you know, less than $1,400. You're going to be almost at 4 stories. So it's one of the most reasonable priced, or is one of the most reasonable priced poles out there. And believe it or not, you think this is heavy, this 36-foot pole is only 4 pounds. Well, let's see, 4 pounds on the 30, add 2 sections, so it's 6 pounds for a 36-foot pole. And look where I'm at. I'm at the 3rd floor, and you can see how much it bends. Now what's cool, I'll show you what you can do with this. You can bring this down and then add another 36 feet. So what you're literally going to have, now we have a 72-foot pole.
Wow.
Instead of putting all the sections, you got 3 sections up. Now I can lift this up if I'm strong enough.
Going them?
No, I'm not strong enough.
No. You have to go a little bit more.
You have to go against the building and bring it up. But they're all easy to reach. So that's going to be our our commercial pole.
And what's the name of that one? That's the
72.
72.